Hello guys, everywhere, anytime, how are you? I hope you all are fine. This is the laws of indices. I will explain it quickly. The laws of indices. We have here, this is x, which is the base, as you see here. Let me show you with the highlighter. This is x, this is the base, and a is the power. If we have x power 3, it means x multiplied by x, because the power is repeated multiplication. If we have 5x power 4, 5 is coefficient, 4 is the power, and x is the base. The first law, if we have multiplication between same bases, this is multiplication operation. When you multiply same base, okay, we add the power. Number 2, when we divide same bases, we subtract the power. For example, x power 5 divided by x power 2 equals x power 3. But if we have x power 7 over x power 10, the answer will be, we have extra in the power of the denominator by 3, so the answer will be 1 over x power 3. Number 3, we have a power to the power. The answer will be multiplying the two powers, a multiplied by b. Number 4, if we have x multiply y, all to the power of a, so x will be x power a and y power a. We can distribute the power only in multiplication or division. Only multiplication or division. Okay, number 5, if we have negative power, we can get the reciprocal of the fraction and make it positive power. For example, next one, if we have x power negative a over y power negative a, we can change the position of, or the place of the numerator to be denominator with a positive power, which is a, not negative a, and the same with y. For example, to explain all this, here we have x squared y x power 3 z over x y power 3 x squared z squared. When we have multiplication like x squared multiply x power 3, the answer will be x power 5 over x power 3, because we have x and x power 2, so this will be x power 3, this will be x power 5. The answer will be x squared, because 5 minus 3 squared in the numerator. The same with y, we have y here and y power 3 here. The answer will be y squared in the denominator. Z and z squared, the answer will be z in the denominator. Same idea with this one, x power 3, a power negative 2, y power negative 3, p power 5 over c power 2, d power negative 2, h. I mean here to put it in simplest form by changing the position of the negative power, like a power negative 2 will go down with the negative power to be a power 2 in the denominator. X power 3 will still above, b power 5 will still above, d power negative 2 down will go up with the positive power to be d squared. The same with h still in the denominator, c squared will be the same. Y power negative 3 will change its place because it's negative power. Number 6, x power 0 equals 1. Any number power 0 equals 1. Number 7, square the root of x power a, the b root. The answer will be the power inside over the degree of the root. So it will be a over b. For example, this is 5 over 2. This is 1 over 3. Example here, 2ab power 3. You should distribute the power to be 2 power 3, which is 8, a power 3, b power 3. Here we have multiplication, a power 7. This is a different idea of multiplying same base, because we have here a negative power. The answer will be 7 minus or plus negative 2, which is 5. In another way, we can change the position of this to be a power 7 over a power 2. The answer would be a power 5 because we subtract them. Okay, we have solving exponential equations like 2 power x equals 2 power 3. So the idea here, when you have same bases equal, you should consider the powers are equal. So x equals 3. Next one, we have 2 here and 2 here. So x plus 1 equals 3, like usual equation. So x equals 2. Here we have 2 power x equals 8. So 8 not equal 2, but you can convert 8 to be 2 power 3. Now we have 2, the same like 2, so x equals 3. The same here, 27. I need to find 3 power a number to be 27, so 3 power 3. So x plus 2 equals 3, and solve it as an equation. This is 2 power 3 x plus 1 equals 32 power x. We have this 30, this is 2, and this is 32. 32 is 2 power 5 inside the bracket because they are all to the power of x. Now you can compare between, before you compare, simplify this. This would be 5x because of power to the big power, or all to the power another power. We multiply the two powers. It will be 5x. Now you have 2 power 5x and 2 power 3x plus 1. When you have 2 here and 2 here, any equal bases, this we will use this to make the powers equal and solve this as an equation. Fractions, add and subtract fractions. We have same denominator, we add them 5 plus 2 equals 7 over 11. If we have different denominator, we need to make them equal. This is 8, this is 4, we need to make it 8, so multiply by 2 up and down. The new answer will be 4 over 8. 5 plus 4 equals 9 over 8. This is in proper fraction. I need to convert it to mixed. How many 8s are there in 9? We have 1, and still we have 1 as a remainder. We cannot divide by 8, so we write it as a fraction. Multiplication and division, it doesn't depend the denominator to be same. We multiply them, numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, to get the answer. And if we can simplify, you should simplify it. With division, I need first to make it multiplication by keeping the first fraction, changing the operation, and flip the fraction. Now we can simplify, or we can multiply. This is 10 over 12. You can divide by 2, divide by 2. The answer will be 5 over 6. Or you can cancel the 2 with 4, remaining 2 down. So this is 5 over 6, 3 multiplied by 2. Equivalent fractions. If we have 2 over 3, we can multiply by 2 to be 4, multiply down by 2 to be 6. So 2 over 3 equals 4 over 6. Multiply by 4, it will be 8 over 12. If we have a fraction of amount, 2 over 3 of 600, this will be 2 over 3 multiply 600, and you can use your calculator to calculate it. Next we have to writing a recurring decimal as a fraction. This 0.2 recurring. Suppose that, or let x equal 0.2 recurring, multiply by 10, it will be 10x, and multiply by 10, we will move the point one time to the right. We will take 2 of the all 2's that we have, leaving 2 here and 2 recurring. Subtract them. This will be 9x and this will be 2. The answer will be 2 over 9. So the fraction, to write this as a fraction, it will be 2 over 9. The same with another one, but in this case we need to multiply by 100 because we have 2 decimal digits that are repeating. This is an example from a question from the exam. Without using calculator, you must show all your working to get the answer or to solve this. This is a mixed number, so you need to make it improper by multiplying 2 multiply 3, 6 plus 1, 7 over 3 plus 8 over 9. Addition needs same denominator, multiply by 3 up and down, 21 over 9, 8 over 9, 29 over 9. 2 multiply 3, 6 plus 1, 7 over 3, multiply 9 over 8. You don't need to make them with same denominator. You can simplify them to get the answer, or you can, he will ask you if he needs to be mixed in the simplest form, you write this way. If he needs it to be improper, he will mention this. Thank you for watching. This is everything that we studied this week.